Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Fine? Yeah. Then today we'll start with a new lesson, adjectives. Now we'll see what is adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. A word is there which will add a meaning to a noun or a pronoun. If I say tall boy, what kind of boy he is? Tall. Beautiful girl. What kind of girl? Beautiful. So beautiful and tall is adjective. It describes or qualifies a noun or pronoun. Example, a clever girl. What kind of girl? Clever. So here clever is adjective. An Indian lady. What kind of lady? Indian. So Indian is adjective. Hot tea. What kind of tea? Hot. So hot is adjective. Now kinds of adjective. Now we'll learn about two kinds of adjective, adjectives of quality and proper adjectives. Now let's see adjectives of quality. The adjective which tells us what kind a person or a thing is called adjective of quality. What kind of a person or a thing is. So that is called adjective of quality. As they describe a person or thing, they are called descriptive adjectives. They are describing a person or a thing. So it is called a descriptive adjective. Adjective of quality answers the questions of what kind. For example, old. If I say an old man, so what kind of man he is? Old. Rich. Lady. So lady is noun, and what kind of lady? She is rich. Pretty girl. What kind of girl? Pretty. So girl is noun and pretty is adjective, and it is qualifying girl that she is pretty. Then poor man. So what kind of man? Poor. So it is describing the man. So it is called descriptive adjective also you can say, or quality. He is showing the quality. It is showing the quality also. Now proper adjectives. The adjectives which are formed from proper nouns. The adjectives are formed from the proper nouns are called proper adjectives. Example is Indian. So Indian is formed from India. American. American is formed from America. Proper adjectives always begins with the capital letter. So you have to remember it that proper adjective will begin with the capital letter. Now formation of adjectives. From nouns. So noun is given and from that how to form an adjective. Full, foolish. Dirt, dirty. Hope, hopeful. Shame, shameful. Gold, golden. Play, playful. Courage, courageous. Glory, glorious. King, kingly. Then a verb is given and from verb we have to form adjectives. Tire, tiresome. Talk, talkative. Move, movable. Here you can see E is omitted here. Play, playful. Use, useful. Eat, eatable. Then from other adjectives. Adjective is given there, from that you will form the other adjective. Tragic, tragical. Comic, comical. Black, blackish. Sick, sickly. Whole, wholesome. White, whitish. Now we'll see the worksheet. Now worksheet is list A contains 10 adjectives are given in list A and list B has 10 nouns. Match them together in the most appropriate manner and write it in the blanks. We have to match and write in the blanks. First one has been done for you. Cruel deed. Then dauntless courage. Dauntless courage. Then systematic work. Melodious song. Thorny path. Fairy speech. White lie. Delicious meal. Desperate need. Legible hand. Now form adjectives from the following nouns. Nouns are given, will form the adjective. Pity, pitiable. Will remove y and instead of that will write I. Pitiable. Heaven, heavenly. Wealth, wealthy. Love, lovable. Need, needy. Cost, costly. Pain, painful. Doubt, doubtful. Peace, peaceful. Progress, progressive. Child, childish. Prince, princely. Wood, wooden. Picture, picturesque. Picturesque. Slave, slavish. Sense, sensible. Quarrel, quarrelsome. Artist, artistic. Fool, foolish. Play, playful. Now this worksheet you will do in your homework, plus this formation of adjectives also you have to learn it. Okay, thank you.